world where cyber threats never sleep, Metro State University is where the defenders of tomorrow are built today.
This is where I realized cybersecurity wasn't just a career, it's a calling.
We're not just teaching cybersecurity, we're living it. Metro State is designated by the National Security Agency as a center of academic excellence in cyber defense and cyber operations, and recognized by the Office of the Director of National Intelligence as an intelligence community center for academic excellence. As the only university in Minnesota with a comprehensive cyber programming, Metro State is leading the charge in cyber education in the Upper Midwest.
I chose Metro State's cybersecurity program for its strong reputation and flexibility. As an NSA-designated Center of Academic Excellence, I knew I'd be getting a high-quality education.
Our programs are built for the real world. Whether you are starting out or leveling up, we've got a path for you.
Pursuing my cybersecurity education at Metro State has been one of the most impactful decisions in my academic journey. After earning my bachelor's degree, I was awarded a full-ride scholarship to pursue my master's, allowing me to deepen my expertise and expand my technical skills in cybersecurity.
Bachelor's in Cybersecurity, built for driven problem solvers, ready to lead from day one. Master's in Cyber Operations, for mission-focused professionals who want to make an impact fast. 4+1 combined program, one powerful path, 2 degrees, and a head start in the job market.
The hands-on learning with real cybersecurity tools was incredibly valuable, and the online format let me balance classes with a full-time job.
With the largest NetLab environment in Minnesota and both IT and OT cyber ranges, our students train where it matters on systems that mirror real-world threats.
IET supports the university's mission by partnering closely with the College of Sciences, especially the computer science, cyber operations, and cybersecurity programs. Together, we advance the development and application of cybersecurity technologies in both academic and operational settings. IET also supports key initiatives such as the Collegiate Cyber Defense Competition, cyber range environments, NetLab, and vendor-specific training. We're proud to help shape the next generation of cybersecurity professionals while strengthening Metro State's cyber posture.
My undergraduate studies provided me with a strong foundation in network security, ethical hacking, and risk management. Hands-on labs and coursework introduced me to real-world security challenges. Now in my master's program, I'm exploring advanced topics like threat intelligence, digital forensics, and malware analysis.
At our on-campus Educational Security Operations Center, students monitor real threats that Metro State faces. At our Professional Security Operations Center, they defend schools, nonprofits, and small businesses, boosting cybersecurity across the state of Minnesota.
Coming from a non-technical background, the comprehensive coursework gave me a solid foundation, covering everything from defensive and offensive security to digital forensics and GRC.
Through our Cybersecurity Clinic, students provide free risk assessment to underserved entities, a hands-on, community-driven approach to learning cybersecurity.
During my undergraduate studies, I interned at the Cyber Clinic, where I worked alongside peers to conduct free risk assessments for local businesses and government entities. Now, as a graduate student, I contribute to several research projects focused on advancing cybersecurity practices, gaining experience in both technical analysis and strategic security planning.
Our vibrant student organizations build leaders, and through Cyber for Heroes, we offer free training to veterans, active duty military, and first responders, turning service into a second mission. Through the MinCyber Institute and the Applied Innovation Institute, students land internships, conduct real research, and collaborate with public and private partners, from Minnesota employers to the Department of Defense. And soon, our cybersecurity doctorate will help close the national faculty gap, empowering the next generation of educators, innovators, and thought leaders.
At Metro State, we don't just believe change is possible. We train the people bold enough to make it happen. Because, as Steve Jobs once said, the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. If that's you, welcome home. Thank you.